What do you get when you cross a lion and a hat? I think you know where I'm going with this, and it's not going to be pretty. Well, the carnage of old mate here. I'm sorry. Is my knife gone? Yes, I'm going to make the Luna Lovegood Gryffindor hat. First, I need to address our friend here. Has to be done. Yeah, so if we get rid of this visor from the donor hat, I think it will be pretty good. So if we just cut these triangles down so that they're straight down as opposed to being weird cornery things, tidy this up, and I want to put a couple of like soft teeth coming down. And I also want to put some like red accents on this because it is, after all, a Gryffindor mascot head. So the red and the gold. Gold. So the best way to cut fur, any faux fur, is with a razor blade. Now, I'm going to use a very fresh and new one. I'm going to get rid of this. Because all we want to cut is the backing. We don't want to cut any of the fur, so we very lightly do this cut. Because then all of the fur stays intact. And now I've just made eyebrows for something. Or a fluffy moustache. What I really want to do, there's a little void up here. A bit of air between the hat and the line. And there's something I want to hide in there. Hopefully we can cheekily do that. With some teeth. Also want to cover up this styrofoam because it's kind of gross. But we will do that with a bit of red material. Ah, see, the red's coming back. Lovely. I made sure I would never forget that this is not butter shortbread. With a bit of graffiti. Sewing stuff. There we go. Needles all ready to go. Well, better thread it. But let's speed through the sewing, shall we? So I found this lovely velvety business. I found some linen-ish material in my collection of stuff. And I'm just going to fold it in half, stitch one side, maybe put a little bit of stuffing in it and make some teeth. Some last minute additions. I got some yellow ribbon and some red ribbon. I cut some little tassels, stitch them in really quickly because I'm running out of time for this project. I have to be hosting a trivia night in 6 hours, 5 hours. I don't even know what time it is anymore. Oh, I need a costume.
Hey guys, have you ever made polymorph teeth? Like these? And then thought, I don't need any more. But I do need buck teeth. Well, thanks to hot water and science? Now all I need is a ginger mullet and to chop one of my hands off to resurrect my dark lord. Don't worry, he'll give me a new one. Mullet wig.
All right, that's sorted. Ah.
Rar. Maybe not. I'll think of something. All right, that's about as good as I can get it. Gryffindor.